This is the easiest oil filter to change. Right on the top of the engine, torque this guy to 19 foot-pounds. Perfect. Mobil 1, European car formula, 040. You can get these guys at Walmart for pretty cheap. I think like 25 bucks for a 5-quart. A little bit cleaner than what came out. So usually when I let it drain for about an hour, about 8.5 comes out. You don't want to overfill it. Better to be a little under, then check later. All right, got 7.5 quarts in there. Let's fire it up, warm it up, and see how we look. Oil pressure comes right up. It's a good sign. So usually let it idle for a minute, let the temperature come up, and check the oil. If you try to check right now, it'll say engine not warmed up, so you gotta wait a little bit. My car's lowered a little bit, so I have to put it up on some blocks, but if you have stock height, you can get a hand under there without even raising it. All right, it takes a few. Right? Temperature, water is 175, oil's slowly starting to come up. So I think we can do a measurement now. Let's see. All right, so we're close. So it's a little low. So probably just maybe add a 1/2 quart and we should be good. All right, so I added another 1/2 quart. Close this guy up. Always make sure the oil cap is facing the right way up. Depending on when you started it, it can take anywhere from like 5 seconds to 1.5 minutes to measure. This time it's a little bit longer, so I cut it out of the video, but let's see where we're at. Boom. I would call that perfect. You probably don't want to go to the full line. Everybody usually says somewhere in the middle is good, but between the bottom and the top, they say is 1 quart. Better to be a little under than over. So let's call this a successful oil change. All right, this is the final step. So you'll get your service light. I got this Foxwell tuner guy right here. Have an oil reset function. Let's see. Let's reset. Let's see, reset service interval.